The first part is leaf base or hypopodium. The point of attachment of the leaf to the stem is called leaf base or hypopodium. Here you can see the leaf is attached to the stem by this point. So this point is called leaf base or hypopodium. Pulvinous leaf base. When the leaf base is swelled, it is called pulvinous leaf base. In this leaf, you can see the leaf base is with a swelling structure. This structure is called pulvinous, and this type of leaf base is called pulvinous leaf base. It is common in the family Fabaceae. Sheathing leaf base. When the leaf base is flattened and completely encircles the stem. Here the leaf base is flattened and completely encircles the stem. This structure is called leaf sheath, and this type of leaf base is called sheathing leaf base. It is common in the family Poaceae. Stipule. The outgrowth of the leaf base is called stipule. This is the outgrowth, and this structure is called stipule. The second structure is petiole or mesopodium or leaf stalk. The stalk that joins a leaf to the stem is called petiole. Depending on the presence of the petiole, leaves are of three types. Petiolate leaf. When petiole is present in a leaf, it is called petiolate leaf. Sessile leaf. When petiole is absent in a leaf, it is called sessile leaf. Here petiole is absent, so the leaf is directly attached to this stem. This type of leaf is called sessile leaf. Subsessile leaf. When petiole is present in a leaf but it is very short, it is called subsessile leaf. Peltate leaf. When petiole is attached to a right angle point at the back of the leaf lamina. It is common in the family Nymphaceae. The third part is lamina or epipodium or leaf blade. The thin, membranous, green, expanded portion of the leaf. Adaxial surface. The upper or dorsal surface of a leaf is called adaxial surface. Abaxial surface. The lower or ventral surface of the leaf is called abaxial surface. Dorsiventral leaf. Dicot leaves are dorsiventral because they possess distinct dorsal and ventral sides. isobilateral leaf. Monocot leaves are isobilateral, as the both sides of leaves are more or less similar. Leaf margin. The boundary area extending along the edges of the leaf. Leaf apex. The protruding part of a leaf. Midrib. The central thick linear structure that running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Veins. The veins are the vascular tissue of the leaf.